Some people play the game, some people serve the game, and then there are a rare few who give their sweat, their blood, and their entire life to it. Today, we introduce a man whose name is woven into the very fabric of Indian cricket, especially Punjab cricket, a cricketer who made his Ranji debut at just 14. From Punjab to the BCCI, from domestic cricket to the National Cricket Academy, his contribution goes far beyond numbers and titles. Punjab cricket stands where it is today because of people like him. People who believe that cricket is not just played on the field, it is built with vision, sacrifice, and integrity. This episode is not just a conversation, it is a tribute to a lifetime of service, to a man who gave everything to cricket. Presenting MP Pandav sir.
lot of players play the game, but very few of them shape it. आज के जो गेस्ट हैं हमारे साथ वो 1960 से इंडियन क्रिकेट के साथ इन्वॉल्व हैं. He's been a cricketer, he's been an administrator, he's been a mentor, and he's inspired a lot of cricket, especially in Punjab. Welcoming none other than MP Pandav sir. Sir, thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, Tarwar. Nice to be with you and seeing you after a very long time.
Yes, sir. Sir, I still remember पहले time पे I was just mentioning you. I'm wearing goggles today. 10 years back, we were sitting there. You were saying, as a cricketer, try to avoid it.
Yeah. Yes.
But do you think time change हुआ है Indian cricket आपके time पे जब खेलते थे और जब modern day cricket है? How much difference you think is there now?
The difference I would say is, in our times, we were very traditional and also orthodox in our game approach. It was because of the social setup and family background at that point of time. We thought that once you are playing this game, the game is not only played in the middle, the game is played 50% here. So to keep that 50% intact and sharp, your concentration should not go haywire. So these things were called the things of fashion. Taking goggles, keeping your collars up, using a hanky in your neck while playing. So they were things which we thought they take away your concentration and it is not good for your game. So we wanted at that time was that please concentrate only on your game and don't concentrate on the other peripheral
जैसे
things.
जिंक नहीं लगानी, goggles नहीं, try to avoid.
ये लगाना उससे क्या होता है that gives you a impression that your personality has improved, and if your personality has improved, then you are likely to
be
overconfident, play here and there. So that's what it was. When we started playing, our seniors also told us the same things. Very strict about the kit. If you wear this colored socks, they would ask you to get out of the ground. You know, all those things. You couldn't come with the colored clothes. So these things were there. That was the discipline. That was only to keep you disciplined. Like in police and army, why the uniform is given? It is just to keep you in discipline so that you are intact and you keep your concentration at one point of time. That was the reason. Otherwise, you are a very handsome chap and I never wanted you to lose your goggles.
नहीं sir, आज मजबूरी है, आज धूप बिल्कुल सीधी पड़ रही है. Otherwise, I would not have wore it with you. Sir, I never knew, मतलब हम जब बैठते थे ना पंजाब अंडर 19 कैंप, 16 कैंप, एंड वी यूज्ड टू नो के सर आ रहे हैं, पांडव सर आ रहे हैं, तो हम सोचते थे कि आपका ऑरा ही ऐसे बना हुआ था हमारे क्रिकेटर्स के बीच में कि सर आ रहे हैं, कुछ वैल्यूएबल बात हमेशा आप बोलते थे, हमारे मन दिमाग में बैठती थी. सो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट दैट. आई नेवर न्यू. मैं अब तैयारी करके आया हूँ आज थोड़ी बहुत, तो आई वाज रीडिंग अबाउट यू कि यू प्लेड 75 फर्स्ट क्लास गेम्स एज वेल, यू बीन अ क्रिकेटर एज वेल. आई थॉट you're our mentor and obviously honorary secretary for Punjab, but I never knew cricket भी खेली है सर. तो शौक कैसे बड़ा क्रिकेट खेलने का?
क्रिकेट ऐसा था कि when I was a kid, small kid, studying in 5th class, this Padadari ground was a ground of happening. Lot of cricket was played here. Many test players played here. Lala Amarnath used to live there upstairs in that portion. Wow. He used to play. Maharaja Patiala used to play. Colonel Hemodikari, Colonel Rai Singh, lot of princes and all, they used to play cricket here and matches were there. And then we used to come watch the games sitting there on one side. After seeing them playing, their mannerism, their walking, how they come in, how they go out, so unconsciously or subconsciously, it entered into my
System.
personality.
कि क्रिकेट
भाई क्रिकेट यार ये तो बहुत ही
मजेदार गेम
बहुत बढ़िया गेम है, and it gives you lot of things, lot of style and lot of mannerism which really would help your personality development. So उसमें हो गया. तो by the time I was in 6th class, I started playing. First I played in B team, but I was very small, say 10 years old.
ओके
Used to play with 5-number bat,
अच्छा
but played straight and good. So the people said कि यार this kid plays well, इसको खिलाओ जरा आगे.
अच्छा
तो ए टीम के जो हमारे कप्तान थे स्कूल के बोलते थे, अरे ये तो इतना यहाँ आता है यार, क्या करते हो, मर जाएगा. वो कहते अच्छा एक ए टीम बी टीम का मैच कराओ. तो स्कूल की ए टीम और हमारी बी टीम, वी प्लेड ए मैच एंड आई स्कोर्ड 50 or 46 नॉट आउट.
अच्छा वाओ
And they immediately invited me. Okay, you come and practice with this senior school.
ओके
So by the time I was in 7th class, I was regular school player,
ओह वाओ
right? So by 8th class, I came in the state team. So state team, then 58, 59, under 19 India, under 19 national, all interzonal and everything we played. And 1960, 59, 60, I went to college. In our times, it was metric,
अच्छा
not was this. So after doing the 10th class, straight away come to college.
ओके
The thing which you started in the beginning, this I'm going to discuss it here. The difference was that school time in those days was very disciplined.
ओके
You can't go out of your class. You can't speak in the class. If teacher had seen you talking to somebody, they'll ask you to stand on the bench. So a lot of discipline was there in the players. Once you went to the college, immediately it is all open. You don't take the books, you don't take the bags with the one copy, go to attend a lecture and this and that. Then the people used to go haywire. So that's why our coaches and our teachers and those who are teaching us used to keep a strict watch on us. No, remain in discipline, remain in game, remain in this, remain in this. So that was inculcated, and luckily I got very good senior players in Mahindra College. They were very good. And one thing which I learned from them was, at that point of time, which I think not only in cricket, but also in life would pay, respect for your seniors and consideration for your juniors. This was the funda which we had at that point of time. Our seniors used to encourage us. अरे खेलने जा रहे हो, सामने एक बॉलर आ गया, which you are not comfortable, don't worry, I'll face him, you be on the other end,
अच्छा
watch him. Then when you feel comfortable, we'll take a single. Okay, that was the consideration for juniors. And then out of that, we had a lot of respect for them. Yeah, whatever he's saying, it means something. You see, so we were grown up in this atmosphere, and it helped us in converting ourselves into a disciplined player. Do all those things which are required for the game. And incidentally, you would be of your information to know, 1960 September, I played Ranji Trophy, first game. And at that time, I was 15 and a half. And at the age of 18, I captained Ranji Trophy team, Southern Punjab.
क्या बात
That was October 1964, here in this ground only. So there I got involved in the game, in playing. So we played. But then it was Southern Punjab at that time, and the other part of the Punjab, which we called British India, British Punjab.
अच्छा
That was Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Amritsar, up to Lahore.
ओके
That was Northern Punjab. So ultimately, the both associations, when Haryana came a different, separate state, 1966, Haryana portion went out of Patiala. So Southern Punjab, Northern Punjab merged and became Punjab state. That was
अच्छा
1968.
ये तो कभी सुना भी नहीं सर
It was May 1968. We merged the two associations and merged one state, that is Punjab Cricket Association, with its headquarters at Jalandhar.
ओके
This is how it continued.
सर उस टाइम पे इंडिया खेलना क्या अहमियत थी
इंडिया खेलने का मतलब था, you suddenly become a god of Indian cricket for youngsters. I'll give you a little example, it reminds me out of that. 1960, I was playing my second match, Ranji Trophy match, against DDCA Delhi in Firozshah Water Ground. If you heard the name of Mr. Manmohan Sood, later on he remained selector also, secretary also of DDCA. Manmohan Sood played India against Australia in 1960.
Okay.
Only played one test match because he played Indian Universities, got 60-70 runs. He was put to the Indian teams, he played there. And Manmohan Sood, we knew by name that Manmohan Sood is India cricketer. So when we were playing, my coach told me, okay, look, there's half an hour or 45 minutes to lunch. Go and stick at the wicket. Don't get out. After lunch, we have to carry our innings. Okay. I'm playing slow. So last over before the lunch, a bowler came. The captain was Mr. Rajinder Pal. He called a bowler. He said, okay, one. He was leg break bowler. He started bowling from that football end. DDCA ka mashhoor football end. Na? He started bowling from there. So he bowled one ball. So it was almost half volley. I drove him for a 4. Second ball I stopped. Third ball he bowled short. I again on back foot I got a 4. So in that over I got 3 boundaries. And game was over. Lunch. Aa gaye. So in those days, both the teams used to take lunch together. Its separatism was not there. One table, one team this side, one team this side, and here, chief guest of the day, बैठे बातें कर. तो बातें करते करते the Delhi captain asked that bowler, "Hey मनमोहन, कम खा, अंदर जाना है." मैंने 7 बजे सोचा कौन है ये? कहता मनमोहन सूद. मैं कहा मनमोहन सूद. And I am honestly telling you, had I known at that time he is Manmohan Sood, I would have been out.
Oh wow, it's a great lesson.
That was the aura of Test cricketers in those days. And we used to, when a Test cricketer has come, we used to give lot of respect to him, watch him. If he's a bowler and if he's a batsman, then take the fancy field and bowl. That was the aura, and they were real heroes. After film stars, they were cricketers. That was the time.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है अभी इसी के बीच में, जैसे ये चीजें मैंने भी सीखी हैं व्हेन आई वाज फेसिंग आईपीएल में ग्लेन मैकग्राथ. I wasn't facing the ball, I was facing the bowler. But I think you also have said it in a lot of our camps कि always play. अभी आप उस टाइम पे you were thinking कि अगर पता होता कि ये इंडिया प्लेयर है तो मैं अलग खेलता. ऐसा अक्सर हो जाता है माइंड में, क्यों आता है एज अ बैटर और कैसे इसको ठीक करें?
ऐसा है कि there are two things. Because in those days our exposures were very less. We did not have lot of opportunities to play with the cricketers of higher grade. So that gave you an impression कि यार he should be something out of the world.
कुछ बकरी बॉल ही पा रहा है
कि कुछ और ही बाहर डालेगा. मतलब he is something you don't know what he'll do. ठीक है. लाला जी को खेलते देखते थे हम, बट जब कभी कहते थे कि चल बेटा मैं बॉल करूंगा खेल, तो हर बॉल देखते थे कहीं ये सारा लेग कट ना हो जाए. ठीक है, ये कहीं अंदर ना आ जाए. And in that process we used to even leave the loose balls which deserved hitting. So that was the impression in those days. But since the exposures have gone now, people have seen more and more cricket. There also I have some contribution in that, which I can talk later, or if you want I can talk right now.
Why not now?
You see, in our times Ranji Trophy was the first class cricket, and it was played within the zone. 5 teams in the North Zone, 4 matches you play. Same teams will come to you, same players will come to you. You will play the game and things are over. Whenever only that team which will top in the zone will go out and play. Will go to Bombay or go to Bihar or go to Calcutta or go to Madras, right? Then you will come to know, these are also the facts of the game, right? So when I became something in the board.
Like PCCI secretary?
At that time, there was a working committee meeting.
Achha.
I said, look here, if you want, you see a lot of players that are coming from smaller places. If you want them to develop, if you want the smaller places to develop, let's change the format of Ranji Trophy. And then in the working committee, one ex-India captain was also member, he was standing, I will not name him. He said, what are you talking, MP? What do you want to do? I want that Ranji Trophy we should mix up, make the zones, 8 or 10, whatever is the convenient as per logistic. And then no team should play the same teams every year.
Okay.
And let's make zones And in those zones, players should play. They should get exposure. I play one match in, say, Chandigarh. Second match, I play in Calcutta. Because they are in my zone, right? Why do you want expenditure to increase? I don't think it will do any good to Indian cricket because those limited players would remain limited. So I just got wild on him. I said, look here, you have captained India, right? Only because you belong to this test center and you have played here. And by playing here, you have gone a lot of outside. You see, cricket is different. Different soil you play, it is different. Different temperature you play, it is different.
सही बात.
You play here, 20 temperature. Suddenly you go to Chennai and play here, 37 temperature.
Yeah.
Different food. You eat some kind of food here, suddenly you had different food there, right?
Yeah.
Different clothing. So it makes a lot of, why you tell me one thing, why in your times it was said that a cricketer becomes complete if he plays in England? Why? Tell me. He said,
Conditions.
conditioning, this, that. That's what I mean. Now you have said the same language. Then the chairman appreciated and said, he's right. What do you want me to do? What do you want to do? I want this. All these teams should be divided into 8 pools as per their ratings. And then Ranji Trophy should not be within one zone.
Very good. Great initiative.
At that time, it was discussed. I got it approved. And after that, Ranji Trophy is played in pools, not in the zone.
Wow.
So this, and the incentive was the result of that. I will not say, again, I will not name them. A lot of players who have come from smaller towns and played for India and even captained India. Because they got exposures.
Yeah.
Once you play with him, then you know, yaar, he's like me.
Sir, yeah.
He's like me. Only difference is he's more focused.
Sir,
I'm less focused.
I think sir that initiative of yours, उसके बाद अब IPL ने भी इतना हमें एक्सपोजर दे दिया एज अ प्लेयर कि जब तुम अपने सपोज जोफ्रा आर्चर और एनी बेस्ट बॉलर ऑफ एनी अदर कंट्री उसी को अगर मारा है या अगर उसी को बॉलिंग में आउट एज अ बॉलर यू आर गेटिंग आउट एनी बिग प्लेयर तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही अलग लेवल का बन जाता है.
You are absolutely right. I mean, I always, when I talk about my strong points, I admit my weak points also. When IPL was being visualized, we were very much part of it.
अच्छा जी.
The first time IPL idea was started by Lalit Modi, and he spoke to Mr. Madhurav Sindhia, who was at that time the president of the board. Aise I want to start a city league.
अच्छा.
The Madhurav told Mr. Amrit Mathur, who was in railways at that time, secretary, and told him that you talk to Pandav and you and Pandav both go and meet their people and then let me know. Anyway, he came to me, we went there, we talked, discussed. When he was talking about the city cricket, I said, you have gone amok. कहता क्यों? और मैं कहा यार, यहाँ 3-day game नहीं कोई देखने आता रणजी ट्रॉफी की. Who will come to see your city cricket, intercity cricket? पागल हो गया? मैं कहा idea, utopian idea, nothing. And I was not in this favor. I honestly admit now. Then later on, he talked to Mr. Bindra, who was our president. He said, "Yaar, Pandav is opposing." He said, "Yaar, Pandav ka ek baat hai, wo whatever he speaks from the heart. If he is opposing, he will oppose in the board also. So he has to be brought in this idea." So then Bindra sir spoke to me. Bindra said, "Yaar, tu Pandav baat sun, kyun? Why are you against IPL? This Premier League?" I said, "You want the youngsters to expose to this 2020 cricket and this." But don't you think? Then he told me this scheme that international players will come and this and that. When they will face them, then don't you think they will get better exposure? I consumed this idea. I agreed, but with one condition. I said, no under-19 player will be allowed to play IPL.
Oh yeah. So that rule was from you.
That was my idea and that I implemented it. In my time, I never allowed any Indian under-19 player to go. And later they started saying, yeah, those under-19 players who have played for India in under-19 international series, lot of exposure. Why don't you allow them? I said, okay, we will allow them. Only those players who excel in under-19 against foreign teams. Okay. That's how this Bandhan Vora and 2-3 players they came.
So we also played. हम वर्ल्ड कप के बाद
आप
automatically
वर्ल्ड कप के बाद आप आ
paper,
गए.
हाँ जी.
I said कि those players who will excel there, we will love them.
Okay.
But not that कि you keep the trial and take away 619 players and keep them in that atmosphere there. They forget every mannerism, every cricketing thing, and they're finished.
सही बात.
They're finished, and that is the reason that's why many players have not graduated into good first class players, even though they were very good as juniors.
So players who get finished, just touching that point अभी जो आपने बोला सर कि IPL मिल जाती है, उसके बाद बहुत जल्दी they fade away. So the reason is कि वो grind से निकलते नहीं है जो struggle है.
You see, the point is, IPL or 2020 cricket is not the cricket of technique, but it is the cricket of your physical
Strength.
traits. As long as your eye is sharp and your footwork is quick, you excel. Slowly, when your eye becomes little slow, you are suddenly gone because your technique is not there. My fundamental view was that up to the age of 19, if somebody wants to play higher grade of cricket and also want to continue in the game, like wants to make it a way of life, then up to 19 years of age, he should only work on his technique.
Sir,
Once your technique is right, then you can improvise the shots. But if you are brought up on improvised shots, you can never develop your technique.
so
That was
any academy coaches or young cricketers listening, पहले बेस सेट करो.
Yes.
उसके बाद पहले
Of course.
सामने वी में खेलना सीखो, अपना बेस को
Of course,
स्ट्रॉन्ग करो.
of course.
क्योंकि अभी इंग्लैंड की जो बेसबॉल आई वहां पे आई वाज प्लेइंग देयर एज अ प्रोफेशनल यॉर्कशायर में, सो बहुत सारे कोचेस कह रहे थे अब बेसबॉल ही सिखा रहे हैं हम कि पहली बॉल से दोनों हाथ इधर भी मारनी है, स्वीप इधर भी स्वीप मारनी है, पहली बॉल से मारना भी आना चाहिए.
But that should come,
After-
what I qualify it, that should come after certain age. Now, I was just telling Munish Wali, who's our very dedicated boy and a dedicated coach, अपना youngster. So I was just telling him, यार, do you come here daily? He said, yes, I come here. मैं कहा, what is the age group practicing here? He said, most of the people are under 14. तो मैं कहा, Munish, please ensure that you or your coaches appointed here, they work on their technique only. Don't put them in this 20-20 or 30-30. Whenever you want to give them a match of minimum 60 overs each side, so that he has enough time to play. Once they develop into this, then you see, a technically good player can improvise the shot. A player playing improvised shots cannot develop a good technique. This is my feeling and understanding of the game.
वेरी ट्रू सर.
And this is what I tell all the youngsters who come to me. Otherwise, I'm too old. Nobody come to me.
नहीं सर, बट सो शुड इट बी द एज और द स्किल? आप भी जैसे कर रहे हो अंडर 19 में भी द स्किल कि मतलब कई बार 10 साल का बच्चा इतना अच्छा स्किलफुली है.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Because many people, they gave me this argument. That Sachin Tendulkar played at the age of 15 or 16 for India. So, as per your theory, you will not like him to be in the IPL, right? It's just a hypothetical example. Okay, yes. But now I put you a counter question. You tell me how many Sachin Tendulkars are there in India? One after 2 decades or after 1 decade. Another one will come.
Yeah.
That's a different thing. But the point is, once we are talking to a class, we talk about generality. That these are the players, this is the talent available with us, and we have to tell them what should be the first lesson to them. Without A, you can't go to B. So that is the first lesson, second lesson, and third lesson. So once they go up to come to under 19, they are developed, their muscles have also developed accordingly, and then they can improvise. I mean, this muscles, it again reminds me a thing which I'll add it here.
Please.
I became the chairman of National Cricket Academy, Bangalore.
Yeah.
Right? I took it from Sunil Gavaskar, from Kapil Dev. So I went and had first meeting of the coaches who were teaching there. I asked them, what are your... And unfortunately, we believe in big names. We believe in high-fly things. The board had picked up the coaches from international. He's done from Germany. He's done from that. He's done from that. So I said, sit down, you tell me, is gym necessary for players? Now it's a question which will engage attention of many people. Very much. To what extent? No, sir, it gives you strength, it gives you this and that and that. Do this. Now you tell me, a spinner, if he is bowling, what is important for him is this rotary, this muscle which rotates.
Yeah.
If you do that exercises, weight exercises, this will freeze. This will freeze. And a spinner will, and typical example is by this young kid Bali, Munish Bali. He was a brilliant off spinner up to 18 years of age. Suddenly he loses this rotary. His hand start coming from here. Once your spinner's hand is coming from here, you are gone. It has to come from here.
Yeah.
Bishan Singh Bedi played for India because his hand came from here. Goel's hand came from here.
Yeah.
Although he got wickets in Ranji Trophy, but he couldn't play for India. Right?
Yeah.
So these are this rotary. If you ask him to do this muscle exercise, so his rotary will go. So he only needs strength on the legs. So then they said, sir, ye kya? मैं कहा, ये है. You have to design the exercises for the a wicket keeper needs haunching because he has to sit down 6 times, sit up 6 times, sit down 6 times, up 6 times, right? So you have to give him that exercises. You can't make his muscles strong. Only strength is common. That is for running, right? Then came the question and said, no, sir, fast bowler will do it. I go, okay. You tell me what fast bowler needs. Stamina? No. That only comes by running. No, sir, it's not by running. Okay, then answer my another question. Why an Australian fast bowler has not fallen down and broke down in the match? Have you ever seen? I have not seen as long as. Why? Because those muscles are in perfect shape. Now you tell me, a fast bowler is bowling. How many overs? I think you captain expects him to bowl. He said 20 overs. 20 overs, okay. What is his run up? 30 yards. So 30 yards he runs. Later on, fast jumps and bowls 6 times in an over, 180 yards, 20 overs, make it into 20, then convert into kilometers, it becomes 2 kilometers, more than 2 kilometers.
Yeah.
So if he has to bowl 20 overs, he has to run 2 kilometers. So unless you make him to run 3 to 4 kilometers a week or twice a week, you cannot make him to stay for the 20 overs. What the hell is this? So you design training according to that. Anyway, then I said, okay, you design these programs. Next month when I'll come for the meeting, I'll ask each and everybody.
So they changed their
Some people changed and probably I was changed.
Sir, any kid listening to this podcast of ours about playing for India? That time आपने बोला कि उस टाइम पे होता था कि भगवान बन जाते हैं, बट बच्चे कई बारी जल्दी सोच जाते हैं कि हम तो मटेरियल बन गए हैं इंडिया मटेरियल, पर हम खेल नहीं रहे. Lot of cricketers actually think like that about themselves. What should they be focusing on? नहीं मिलती है क्रिकेट जल्दी.
ऐसा है. They have to focus only on the game and then they have to focus on their weaknesses. And then they have to focus on their fitness and mental toughness. Mental toughness is also equally important if you want to play international cricket. The other day I was hearing Navjot Sidhu speaking on some channel talking about first West Indies, first tour when he went with Sachin Tendulkar. He said the wicket was wet and I requested Azharuddin कि मियाँ भगवान के पास लिए अल्लाह के लिए तो टॉस जीत जाना यार, इस गिल्ली विकेट पे वेस्ट इंडीज को कौन खेलेगा, राइट? तो बट ही लॉस्ट द टॉस. He said we went open, myself and Sachin. The fast bowler who bowled from that end, he names, I don't remember. He hit me here, hit me here, hit me here. Then फुल्ला निकाल दिया मेरा. ओवर हुआ, मैं गया उधर, उसको बोला सचिन को, Tendu, what will you do? It gives you a lot of trouble after pitching. Can all right, I will not allow them to pitch.
Wow.
When he played the first ball, 3-4 steps he went ahead, took the full toss at first ball 6. Right? This is mental toughness. That was in that kid. And sorry to say, He will not be in many other people. 2 balls went from here. He'll get nervous, right? This is mental toughness. This is one, and focusing on this. And then your true assessment. That is very important. When you think I should play for India, then assess yourself. Okay, which player is playing who is not better than you? And you have to play, you have to replace him. Then you have to become better than him.
Wow.
That is very important.
Beautiful.
You intend to play opening batsman, who's opening for India? Then watch him carefully. See what he's doing. See what are his weaknesses. And then see that those weaknesses are not in you. Then see how he runs, how quickly he takes single. Then you compare yourself with the pads. Can you take the single same quickly or better? This is a comparison game. India, only 11 players will play. Right? National cricket, many players play. Right? Maybe 500 play first class cricket. So out of them, 11 has to be picked. So those things you have to keep in mind if you really want to play for India.
Amazing, sir. Beautifully put up, sir. Sir, कुछ डिफरेंस आया है आपके टाइम से और अब? आया तो बहुत है. आपके मुंह से सुनना चाहूंगा इक्विपमेंट वाइज. अभी जैसे आप ये बैट देख रहे थे तो यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि ये ऐसे उठना चाहिए.
हाँ, लेफ्ट हैंड से उठना चाहिए ना.
सो व्हाट इज इट अबाउट? आप बैट कैसे पिक करते थे?
ये बैट है ना. दिस इज द वी, this V and this V.
Yeah.
They have to be in line. Cricket is all played with left hand. If you use right hand, it will go high in the covers. Whenever you drive, because otherwise, if you use right hand, you will play a cover drive, it will lock here. If you play with left hand, it will go right up to your shoulder. So that is called complete drive. So therefore, equipment is very good now. I was jokingly telling you, if I had this bat in my days, probably my senses would have been more in.
Okay. So the equipment has changed from your times to now. और क्या change हुआ, sir?
Equipment में protective equipment has changed. In our time, there used to be pads, and उसमें वो बांस की लकड़ियाँ होती थी यहाँ तक. No thigh guard, no elbow guard, only one abdomen guard. वो भी लोहे का होता था उसका. अगर एक फास्ट बॉलर की बॉल लगी, सारा अंदर चला जाता था. I remember once, again maybe of some use for somebody, we were playing a Ranji Trophy game in Chandigarh ground, 1966 probably, batting wicket, and we played. Delhi played first. We played first. Yeah, I don't remember now. We won the toss and we played first. There was one fast bowler in Delhi team who was little suspect, but he was called Bhopal Express. वो भोपाल से आया था लड़का.
अच्छा.
उसका नाम भी मैं अभी बता दूंगा आपको. और ये करके ना ऐसा फेंकता था बॉल वो गुट से कि पक झूम ये गई. अच्छा, when the most dangerous thing was कि वो एक ग्रिप से बॉल मारता था पकड़ के, and he used to come in sharply.
Okay.
तो लंच के पहले बैटिंग कर रहा हूँ, वो बॉल कर रहा है, बाद की बॉल है, मैं छोड़ दूं, इधर किया है तो क्या पैट यहाँ लगे आके 1 तारा 2 तारे 3 तारे. By the time it was lunch time, I didn't got scared from him.
Mental toughness.
Kept on playing. Again 8-9 तारे पड़ गए. लंच पे चले गए अंदर. जिंदरपाल was with us, fast bowler, famous fast bowler. इसका दिल्ली से बहुत लाख डांट सी, क्योंकि दिल्ली से आके यहाँ खेले थे. तो लंच हुआ, मुझे कहते हैं, और बाय द टाइम लंच में वो साले ठंडे हो गए तो पैर हिलना मुश्किल हो गया. पार्टनर 200 रन कर दे टोटल, मैं इनको देख लूंगा. मैं कहा 200 रन पाल साहब कैसे होंगी, कुछ कर. मैं कहा मेरे तो हिला नहीं जा रहा. देन टीम वर्क कितना होता था. द होल टीम वाज, वो आरडेक्स होती थी हमारे जमाने में, आरडेक्स लेकर लगी हुई मेरे. ठीक है, वो ठीक हो गया. ठीक होने के बाद जितने टॉवल थे बाथरूम में वो निकाल के लाके मेरे बांध दिए, बांध के ऊपर बना दिया. यहाँ फिर भी कुछ नहीं था, सर पे भी कुछ नहीं था, लेकिन इससे मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. Anyway, I was able to face him and play. That's the history. We scored about 210 runs and we got Delhi out in 150 runs because wicket was very fast.
Yeah.
ठीक है, so if that equipment would have been there at that point of time, I could have scored 200 runs or at least a century.
Sir.
Right? So this is a lot of change in the equipment. जो आ गया, this generates extra confidence in you to face the bowlers and to play confidently. This is one thing. Second thing is about this point I think I'll touch may not be of use to youngsters, but maybe for use to the people who are running the game. I thought in those times, the cases of the players were not properly placed before the selection committee,
Okay.
right? Like we had many good cricketers, many players who scored a lot of runs. Okay? So, not talking about myself, it was not look nice. Many other players also along my colleagues. A lot of runs and this and that. In those days, there were only 5 test centers in India. Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, and
Delhi?
Delhi, and central is Kanpur. 5 selectors, and they were always from the test center.
Okay.
So 5 selectors, 5 test match centers, they got the exposure, they watched the games, they watched the international teams, this and that, this and that. And those selectors didn't know what is happening in Jammu and Kashmir. What happened in a match held in Chandigarh? What happened in a match held in Rohtak? Only from paper you go. Somebody has scored 50 runs, but nobody could tell them in what situation he has scored these 50 runs. Okay, na?
Yeah.
There also, I will, if you time allows, I'll narrate you the quality of innings. What is the quality of innings? Nobody was there. So there was nobody to put up their case there. And many people went unnoticed, not ignored. Right? Then, when we came in position, we realized this point. Okay, at our times, this was the thing. We should take care of this.
Yeah.
We said, okay, selectors will not pakka from test centers.
Achha.
We will be rotated.
Wow.
Tests will also be rotated. That's how we created another 3-4 test centers in
Nice.
India. These were done in our time. Jalandhar became a test center. Nagpur became a test center. Ahmedabad. Although my seniors, Mr. Bindra, Dalmia, Salve Saab, they also fought for this, but we were able to achieve this.
Nice.
So, it's okay. Then second thing we did was, we said that selector is one. It's not possible for him to go everywhere and watch every player. Right? You should have a person to assist him. Called him spot talent hunter. The games which selector cannot go, he should go.
Achha.
And come back and give him a report. At least he'll give some feedback. Right? This we started doing. This should be done. And then slowly, the boys from these smaller places
Started coming up.
started coming. This is how our selectors started coming. Vikram Rathore became selector, Bhupinder Senior became selector, Yashpal. All those selectors from
nice.
smaller places by rotation. So then the cricket really opened for the smaller places, and the really good talented player did not go unnoticed.
Sir, I'll answer मेरे अपना opinion on 2 things. Equipment आपके time मतलब hats off to all the players उस time पे. I used to see players not wearing helmet grill.
Yes.
और वो वेस्ट इंडीज की बॉडी लाइन वाली इंसिडेंट्स एंड देयर सो मेनी मोर. कैसे प्लेयरों ने उस टाइम पे खेला है. आपकी स्टोरी के बाद में क्योंकि थाईपैड ही नहीं था. और होता तो कॉन्फिडेंस आता ना प्लेयर को. अभी सर हमारा ब्रांड है वर्सैंट, जिसमें भी शुभमन ने हमारे को आइडिया दिया था कि मेरे को यहाँ बॉल लगती है बैक एल्बो पे.
ओके.
तो हमने एक आर्म गार्ड बनाया. अभी आजकल क्रिकेटर्स एकेडमी में भी सब बच्चे फ्रंट्स में भी डाल रहे हैं, बट पीछे में किसी ने नहीं डाला.
ओके.
तो शुभमन सेड कि मैं इंग्लैंड टूर पे जा रहा हूँ तो मुझे यहाँ पे पाजी बॉल लगती है. सो वी वर फिगरिंग आउट क्या कर सकते हैं.
राइट.
सो वी एक्चुअली मेड अ आर्म गार्ड फॉर हिज बैक एल्बो. And he wore that and he scored double 100 in that series.
Yeah,
so he was feeling that comfort आ जाता है जब अच्छा equipment और protection हो.
Absolutely.
और अभी बच्चे आगे भी डालते हैं. Secondly सर जो अभी selection वाला है, जैसे हम उस aura में हैं. There was a kid who was practicing in my training academy. वो बच्चा videos डालता है उसका father उसकी training की. And there are a lot of parents जो videos डालते हैं. मतलब आपके times में there were selectors only limited 5 test venue में ही जाना है. और अब हम उस एरा में हैं जिसमें बच्चे वीडियो से आईपीएल स्काउट्स आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग एट देम एंड ग्रूमिंग देम.
Yes.
तो कितना चेंज है सर.
बहुत चेंज है. This is absolutely right. But you see, and after becoming this, IPL has done very good and absolutely everything is right. My only fear is that this anxiety increasing from 3 days to 50-50, 50-50 to 20-20, it may go to 10-10. and ultimately it may
Chala-
go to toss. This is why
टॉस ही कर लो, चलिए यार.
चलो टॉस करो और मैच हो गया भाई. Right? So this is only my fear. The game should be able to survive, and for that reason, you have to play some kind of cricket which interests the youngsters to come in. What it can be done, it's now for the people who are running the show, for them to decide, because
Yeah.
now it's not in our hands. We are played our innings and hung up our shoes. It's for them to decide.
Yeah.
Okay, and especially at state and district level, because you cannot design these things at India level. You have to design these things at the state level or more at the district level. There you introduce some kind of cricket where the interest of the kid comes out automatically. यार मैं वो खेल के आया, बड़ा मजा आया भाई, ये शॉट खेला यार, बड़ा मजा आया, आई शुड प्ले दिस गेम, इट्स अ वंडरफुल गेम, राइट? That care has to be taken if you want to survive this instant cricket.
सर एक चीज मैं पूछना चाहूंगा ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ लॉट ऑफ क्रिकेटर्स इन पंजाब. मतलब दैट वाज द कल्चर वी हैड. इट वाज गुड इन अ लॉट ऑफ वेज कि कटोच शील्ड जैसे हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट खेलते हैं एज ग्रुप्स में, बट जब कटोच शील्ड जब व्हेन आई वाज एल्डर कि
Senior खेले.
हमें कटोच शील्ड खेलनी है. सो अभी जब हम कहीं भी नेशनल क्रिकेट अकेडमी में होते थे, कैंप वगैरह थे, यार नहीं अभी बस कैंप खत्म होते हैं, हमारा कटोच शील्ड है.
मैच है,
अच्छा तुम्हारा वर्ल्ड कप है. मतलब अभी इंडिया में दैट वाज द इमेज फॉर कटोच शील्ड कि वो खेलना ही खेलना.
खेलना था बिल्कुल.
बट आई रियलाइज वन मोर थिंग सर कि दैट इज एन आई ओपनर फॉर मी कि देयर मोर ऑप्शंस एज वेल अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट. वो खेलना चाहिए बच्चे को क्योंकि वो नजर में रहता है. सिलेक्टर्स वहीं होते हैं पंजाब एसोसिएशन के. बट जब मैं इंग्लैंड खेलने गया ना सर 3 साल उसके बाद, जब मैं पंजाब छोड़ दिया था, आई वाज सीइंग कि आई वाज नॉट गोना प्ले मच फॉर पंजाब. सो आई हैड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो टू इंग्लैंड एज वेल. वहाँ की जो 5 महीने की क्रिकेट ने भी मुझे सिखाया. एज अ क्रिकेटर आई इवॉल्व्ड अ लॉट कि तुम प्रोफेशनल खेलते हो तो तुम्हारे पे टीम है.
Yes.
तुम्हें टीम को स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक कैरी करना
करना,
50
yes.
ओवर में आता है.
Yes,
ऑफ द फील्ड ऑल्सो यूर गाइडिंग देम.
Correct.
और अपनी प्रैक्टिस को 2 दिन, क्योंकि वहां पे प्रैक्टिस 5-6 दिन नहीं मिलती है, उसमें कैसे तुम टच में रहते हो. ऑल दोज थिंग्स वर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अ क्रिकेटर, जो हम पंजाब में कई बार नहीं खेल पाते थे. कि सिर्फ डिस्ट्रिक्ट के बाद नॉट एबल टू गोइंग इनटू कैंप्स व्हिच आर आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. बट वो बैलेंस हम कई बार अगर बना सकते हैं या बना सकते हैं उस टाइम पे.
बेटा इसका only solution is the exposure. You see, you play Cross Shield, limited cricket है, limited खेली, but it's only a platform to go for the state. At every stage you can't provide this, I mean logistically not possible. Every district player, you get him that exposure. It's not possible. So at least at the state level, which we did it when I was running Punjab cricket. First thing, now reminds me this, I can relate it in a chain. When we took over, went to the board, this and that, I used to feel very frustrated. Why our players are not picked up? Why players of bigger states and bigger players are picked up? राज सिंह डूंगरपुर, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड द नेम. राज भाई कहते थे, वो मेरे से 4-5 साल सीनियर थे, बट इन दिलीप ट्रॉफी अटेस्टा वी हैव मेट मेनी टाइम्स एंड न्यू इट बाय नेम. मोहनदुल्ला गोल्ड कप में भी जाते थे तभी. तो ही वाज इन द बोर्ड एंड ही वाज इन द बोर्ड एज अ सीनियर मेंबर एंड ए गुड स्पोक्स पर्सन. अच्छा बोलते थे वो और क्रिकेट की बात बहुत अच्छी करते थे वो. आई सेड राज भाई, बैठे हम चाय पी रहे थे या खाना खा रहे थे, आई डोंट नो, रिमेंबर नाउ. मैं राज भाई यार एक बात बताओ. मैं यार दिस इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट इज मेंट ओनली फॉर दिस बिगर एसोसिएशंस, नॉट फॉर अस, नॉट फॉर योर जयपुर, नॉट फॉर माय पंजाब. व्हाट इज दिस? ही सेड ए वेरी वैल्यूएबल थिंग. मुझे कहता, अरे एमपी एक बात सुन. मैं कहा, can you tell me how many trophies are there in the board? At that time there were 7. Can out of those 7 trophies, 4 are with one association. I will not name that association. 4 are with that association. Now that boys start from first match, play up to final. How many matches they play? Selectors come, statistics becomes better, and then winning performances. Automatically they will be selected. Who will select you?
सही बात है.
अरे यार, hit me here. यार बात तो बिल्कुल ठीक कहता है.
जीतना शुरू.
He's absolutely right. When I came back, I started working a set strategy. I said, if you want to play for India, you have to develop your junior cricket. These boys will vouch for this. I started concentrating on junior cricket. Right? Make the tournament, select the team, keep a camp, then give them an exposure. If you remember in those days, every team we used to select, I used to send them either in Indore or in Bangalore or in Hyderabad, जहाँ जहाँ मेरी दोस्ती थी जिन स्टेशनों से, कि जाओ वहाँ 5-4 मैच खेल के आओ. वो by that time they used to come back, they were in fine shape, and result was that within 2 years, first time we won under 15 tournament. ये तब चलती थी विजय मर्चेंट ट्रॉफी. फर्स्ट टाइम वी वन एंड इट वाज अ ग्रेट हेडलाइन. ओपी मल्होत्रा वाज द गवर्नर ऑफ पंजाब. ही कॉल्ड द टीम
अच्छा
टू राजभवन,
वाओ,
gave them a reception, tea, and then some souvenirs, and we made all bad speeches, this and that. Well, it was an event that Punjab has won national championship of the board.
yeah,
पहली जीती हमने, उसके बाद 2 जीती, 3 जीती. Then came a time कि ये तो हर साल हम 2-3 जीतने लग गए. Then these boys worked very hard. Bali did a very good job for Punjab. There's some other coaches
Yeah.
also there. जलंधर में अरोड़ा है, he did a good job. ऐसे जितने बच्चे हमारे थे, they did good jobs. तो 2-3 जीतने लगे. उसका रिजल्ट क्या हुआ कि एकदम जूनियर क्रिकेट में हमारे लड़के आने लगे. Any Indian team selected 4 लड़के पंजाब के, 3 लड़के पंजाब के. So winning matters. Winning के लिए your approach matters. For your approach, your exposure matters. For your exposure matters, your backup is backup matters. That who is handling you. If he backs you up and gives you an exposure, provides you an exposure, you become a player.
वाओ,
Right? Second psychology is any performance done in front of you gets imprinted in your mind.
बस जाती है.
मच जाती. तो जो सेलेक्टर तब के थे वो वहां मैच देखते थे, उनके एक लड़के ने अच्छे 50 कर दिए, दैट बॉय इज गुड. यहाँ एक ने 100 कर दिया, उसको पता नहीं है. ठीक है. हमारा एक लड़का था एक गुरकीरत मान
हाँ जी,
है लड़का,
बहुत रन
अभी भी है. ये नया आया था, कुछ नहीं पता. मैं ऊपर पीसी में ऑफिस था, मैंने ऑफिस वो बनाया हुआ था जहाँ से ग्राउंड
हमें आता है सर.
याद है ना आपको?
सर आ गए.
जब भी कोई मैच होता था मैं शीशे से सब देखता था.
और हमें पता लगा था सर आ गए. अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग करनी है.
वो एक हमने टीम बुलाई हुई थी, मैंने केरला से आई हुई थी, मैच खेल रही. गुरकीरत मान प्लेड. इसने वंडरफुल 60 पर 70 रन किए. ब्यूटीफुल क्रिकेटिंग शॉट्स. आई सॉ दैट एंड दिस एंड दैट. तो मैं अनु शर्मा आया मेरे पास थोड़ी देर बाद. शर्मा जी,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
मैं कह रहा हूँ यार ये बच्चा कौन है? कहता जी ये गुरकीरत मान है, मोहाली का लड़का है. मैं इज ए पोटेंशियल बॉय. गुड. ठीक, बात खत्म हो गई, मैच भी खत्म हो गया. जब हमें टीम सेलेक्ट कर रहे थे रणजी ट्रॉफी की, सेलेक्टर बातें कर रहे, मैं बैठा कन्वीन कर रहा हूँ मीटिंग. मैं इंटरफेयर नहीं करता था इनके. दे वर टॉकिंग सडनली इट्स मैच. मैं कहा यार बात सुनो. वो वहीं के सेलेक्टर को मैंने पूछा, मैं कहता इज वन बॉय गुरकीरत मान, उसका कहीं नाम है? कहते ना जी. अरे मैं कहा तुमने देखा नहीं उसको खेलते हुए? ये देखा जी. मैं कहा यार आई हैव सीन हिम, आई थिंक इज अ वंडरफुल बॉय. ओके सर, इज गुड. उसको कैंप में डाला, खेला वो. नोबडी कुड स्टॉप हिम देन. एक कैप्टन थी पंजाब आल्सो. इसे तो वो सेलेक्टर के माइंड में आ जाता है. तो वहाँ के सेलेक्टर वहाँ देख रहे हैं. सो देयर परफॉर्मेंसेस आर रजिस्टर्ड. आवर बॉयज आर प्लेइंग हियर, देयर परफॉर्मेंसेस आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड. So if your selector is somebody out of your own clan, so he will say, no, I have seen that innings. And he's got very good. This is a very important point which I once made even in this selection committee meeting.
अच्छा सर.
Somebody said, Keji, look here, this boy has scored 1 century, 2 century. This boy has scored 50, 60, and he is being preferred. मैं कहा यार, what was his quality of innings? तो one selector है, what do you mean by quality of innings? मैं कहा यार, quality of innings means quality of innings. Can what is that quality of innings? मैं कहा I'll explain to you. You are playing a 3-day game.
Yeah.
Okay. First inning lead has gone. Some team has taken.
Yeah.
Third day game is going on. Your one batsman is playing at T about 50, 60 runs. After T he goes, nothing is left in the game. He goes in to score 100. And this is one innings, right? Now there's another situation. You are playing on a bad wicket. 3-day game. You are on the beginning of the third day. You have to score 210 runs to take first inning lead. Your team is 60 for 6. A batsman is playing. And from there, He gets beautiful 60 runs, carries his team, takes first inning lead, and he only scores 62 runs.
Yeah.
Whom will you prefer? सोचने लग गया मैं, I will prefer that man.
Yeah.
This is called quality of innings. So therefore, quality of innings can only be assessed by the people who watch the games. Our problem is we don't watch the games. Same thing happened. This is also a selection committee matter. I will not name a player from Bangalore. Fast bowler. He had become unfit. So when the meeting started, his name, people, oh, now he is fit. We should play him.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry, Chairman. We have not seen him again. How can we take him? He has come out of fitness trial. तो हुआ नहीं उसका क्या हुआ? I don't know. Somehow there. No. How will you know? I'll watch him. How will you watch him? When your next Ranji game? Can I suggest him? I'll come to Karnataka, Bangalore. Oh, you will really come? Yes, I will come. I went to Bangalore, watched the game. He bowled, and I found that ball which he was bowling and going here was coming here.
Oh.
I only watched, incidentally, their fielding game first. They bowled. I only watched up to lunchtime. After lunch, Nagaraj was their secretary, our old friend, no more in the world now. Very good man. I went to him. I said, Nagu, please get my ticket confirmed in the evening flight to Delhi. Are you have come to watch this game? I have watched. You watched? Yes, I watched what I wanted to watch. Please get my ticket. Okay. He got my ticket. I rang up the chairman. I said, look here, chairman. He doesn't find a place in our team. He needs to improve, let him improve. Okay? This happened. So many times, by not watching unfit players play,
Wow.
heal their injuries, conceal their injuries,
छुपा के खेल.
छुपा के खेल जाते हैं, ठीक है ना? तो that selector has to be vigilant, watch all the games, see all the players and should be updated about them.
Wow.
This is what it is.
Beautiful. एक इशू आई थिंक सर, मैंने बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड क्रिकेटर्स, पोटेंशियल जिनका बहुत अच्छा था, नहीं जल्दी छोड़ जाना क्रिकेट कि मतलब मैं देखता हूँ कि अभी भी बच्चे कोलकाता जाके खेलते हैं क्रिकेट क्योंकि मॉनेटरी वाइज उनको वहाँ पे सपोर्ट थोड़ा मिल रहा है या चेन्नई में मिलता है. अभी शेरे पंजाब होपफुली अगेन इट कम्स बैक बट इट वाज अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव कि बच्चे एटलीस्ट जो 21-22 के साथ बाद वाले जो बच्चे क्रिकेटर्स है ना सर, वो दे हैव टू लीव क्रिकेट क्योंकि घर वाले बोलते हैं कि भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो घर के लिए या तुम्हें कल को शादी करनी है. सो व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? सो एज फॉर दोज क्रिकेटर्स व्हाट इज दैट इज द चैलेंज व्हिच वी ऑल आर फेसिंग ऑन दैट एज.
इसमें बेटा इसमें दो डिफरेंट बातें हैं. एक बात है कि even players who come at the Ranji Trophy stage, there was a time when they had nothing. Ranji Trophy खेलने के बाद पढ़ाई भी नहीं की, उधर इंडिया नहीं खेले, then what do? So you had no other option than either to go and join as a clerk in the railways or maximum in the State Bank.
बिल्कुल.
और maximum PHC भी यहाँ लेती थी इनको और FCI later started. इनमें जाके clerk भर्ती होते थे लड़के, which was well, I was not very comfortable in that.
Okay.
If you can dig out somewhere from Doordarshan, 79 we had a match against Pakistan in Amritsar. At that time there was only Doordarshan covering. तो जब break आया तो Doordarshan was interviewing people. Vijay Mehra was selected, उसको interview किया, उसने अपने बोले. When my turn came, मेरी को जब interview किया तो कहते जी, Pandu साहब, you have played cricket, first class cricket. What do you want to say about the development of the game? मैं कहा भाई एक बात बताओ, आप पहले अपना पेट देखोगे कि क्रिकेट देखोगे? कहता जी क्या मतलब? मैं कहा मतलब ये है कि आप क्रिकेट खेलोगे, खाना खाने गुरुद्वारे जाओगे. So therefore, if your development has to be done, you have to develop your first class cricket. Or once you produce one test player, you have to produce 20 minimum good first class players. Then one test player comes. तो फर्स्ट क्लास टीम में सस्टेन करने के लिए उन बच्चों के लिए यू हैव टू गिव देम समथिंग वेयर दे सी कि यार अगर हम इफ आई प्ले 8-10 years फॉर पंजाब तो मैं भूखा नहीं मरूंगा. देयरफॉर वी शुड इंट्रोड्यूस प्रोफेशनलिज्म इन रणजी ट्रॉफी, राइट? ब्रॉडकास्ट हुआ, वो बोर्ड ने भी सुन लिया, एक वर्किंग कमेटी में डिस्कशन छेड़ ली कि यार यू सेड दैट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? मैं कहा आई मीन दिस कि देयर अलाउंसेस शुड बी इंक्रीज्ड. Ranji Trophy players should be paid good money, and then उनका ऐसा होना चाहिए कि इफ somebody plays for 10 years तो उसके पास इतना कॉर्पस हो, एटलीस्ट उन जमाने की मैं बात करूँ कि 50 लाख, सो दैट ही सेज कि आई हैव रिटायर्ड एज ए गुड ऑफिसर, मिल गए मुझे पैसे, ठीक है. अनलेस यू डू दिस, ये नहीं होगा. फिर जो पुराने हैं, जो अभी बेचारे जिनको जूते लेके हम देते हैं, किसी के पास कपड़े नहीं होते, आ जाते हैं मेरे पास. पीसी में आते थे, मैंने लोगों के स्कॉलरशिप भी लगाए, कुछ लगाए, ठीक है. अच्छा प्लेयर एक था हमारा, डाइड अर्ली, उसकी वाइफ की मैंने पेंशन लगवा दी, बिकॉज आई न्यू इट के हस्बैंड वाज वेरी गुड, ठीक है. मैं क्या, वो घूमते हैं, तो यू शुड इंट्रोड्यूस ए पेंशन स्कीम फॉर ओल्ड प्लेयर्स.
ओह नाइस, आई वाज वेरी गुड.
ठीक है. ये 97 की बात है.
या
Srinivasan was treasurer at that time. What, Pandoji? How much money you would like me to shell out? मैं कहा यार सनी भाई, you tell me how much money you can give. सोच के मैं 1 crore कहता yes. मैं कहा you allow 1 crore, I will give you the scheme. We made a scheme. कह रहे नहीं, बाद में increase हो गई, ये हो गई. उनको जो old ones who didn't get money, they are at least getting pension. किसी को 25,000 मिल रहे हैं, किसी को 50,000 मिल रहे हैं, किसी को 30,000.
नहीं, आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव.
It's a great initiative, they got it. And they got it लड़के. और एक मीटिंग में जब ये सैंक्शन हो रहा था, टेस्ट प्लेयर्स को वी हैड ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड गिविंग पेंशन, दे रहे थे उनको. जब ये हो रहा था तो वन टेस्ट प्लेयर अगेन फ्रॉम साउथ, आई विल नॉट नेम हिम, ही वाज पार्ट ऑफ द वर्किंग कमेटी, एट मिस्टर पांडव, यू आर कंपेयरिंग ए फर्स्ट क्लास प्लेयर विद ए टेस्ट क्रिकेटर. मैं कहा नो, who told you that I am comparing this? I am not comparing this. I am saying you want to produce a test cricketer or not. You want to produce a test cricketer, then you have to look after the 20 Ranji Trophy players.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you won't produce a test cricketer. Or else, you will produce only from those places where multinationals are offering jobs to first class players. So it would mean 5 test centers only.
Yeah.
Jalandhar don't have any help. Jalandhar, who will give job to a Ranji Trophy player? Patiala, who will give a job to a Ranji Trophy player? Nobody. So therefore, we are doing this. और जब काफी बहस करने लगा, मैं कहा देख लो हियर, either you sit down or I'll request the chairman to reopen the pension scheme of test players. Anybody who has played less than 25 test matches, he should not be given pension. वो साला कम खेला हुआ था. मैं कहा I'll request the chairman to reopen this issue. Why? मैं कहा one man plays one test match, he's getting pension. Now you tell me Rajendra Goyal, he played 100 Ranji Trophy matches, got 600 some wickets. 20 years of playing career is less than this one player who has played one test match and 4 years of Ranji Trophy. Tell me, who's better? वो फिर बाकी सब बैठ जा छोड़ यार, he's right, we should do it. ठीक है, we carried that. So उससे क्या हुआ कि the players got free. Now this is the second stage. How do we encourage those players who have not graduated to Ranji Trophy? ठीक है?
Yeah.
And if they are talented,
Yeah.
how to recognize their talent? How to do it? Now, I had started thinking on those lines, but ultimately, anyway, वो कहते हैं आपकी सांस मुक गई तो बात खत्म हो गई. तो वो है, उसके लिए
क्या कर सकते हैं?
the present regime should think of
That is the gap, no?
that is a gap. That's a gap. I agree with you. वो गैप हमने पूरा कर दिया था in our times. ये गैप पूरा नहीं हुआ. इस गैप के लिए now the very, 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 very important question is, if you introduce a scheme that this is for a real talented youngster, who will say that this is a talented youngster? Then nepotism may not start. Again the organization come in. वो नहीं ये बच्चा मेरा बहुत अच्छा है, जो की कर रहे हो जी, इधर लाओ जी स्कॉलरशिप, इन्हों दियो जी ट्रेनिंग लाओ जी, ये बहुत अच्छा. That is our biggest problem, because the people at that level do not come up and start thinking at this place.
Sir, I think level of the vision about an association or a team is different. हर suppose 5 selector हम appoint करते हैं, so वो 5 selector mostly उसी को देखते हैं. if they have that mindset कि यार मैं अगर जलंधर से जा रहा हूँ तो जलंधर के ज्यादा बच्चे देखने हैं. So what about अभी तो पिछले I think 6 साल से ये सिस्टम चेंज हुआ ना कि हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट सब छोटे पिंडों वाले भी हम सब खेल रहे हैं ना, जैसे हम छोटे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से भी खेल रहे हैं अभी. So suppose a talented cricketer from again तरन तारण का मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि बट उसका अगर सिलेक्टर टीम मीटिंग में नहीं बैठा होगा
नहीं बैठा हुआ।
और उस बच्चे का 100 है किसी और डिस्ट्रिक्ट के प्लेयर जो मे बी ज्यादा अच्छी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है उसका सेलेक्टर बैठा है तो वो ज्यादा उसी का ही नाम लेगा।
Absolutely right.
एज यू वर सेइंग कि वो प्लेयर के चाहे इनिंग ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होएगी
हाँ।
पर वो तरन तारन का है तो वो
Correct.
मीटिंग में उसके लिए बात नहीं होगी। सो
This is
हाउ
a-
डू वी फाइंड द बैलेंस?
this is real difficult area, but good area to tackle with. It's a challenge. ये करना चाहिए. What comes to my mind is off the hand ये है कि out of these districts, you select few players and they should be on the PCA list.
हाँ ये हुआ सर हमारे साथ। आप
एक
जब हम
बार
करते
किया
थे
था।
कैंप देवर सम क्रिकेटर्स अपकमिंग क्रिकेटर्स आते थे हमारे कैंप।
कैंप में आते थे। ऐसा कुछ करें फिर उनको थोड़ा स्कॉलरशिप दें so that they can meet their expenses and all. Parents don't feel कि यार तू एक तो पढ़ता नहीं है तू पूरे ऊपर से कपड़े मांगता है, right? Something like that. It's a very difficult task, but needs real application of mind.
Yeah.
I would only request is that those who are there in position, they should focus on this area and work out some scheme.
Yeah.
And scheme can be worked out. You see, there is nothing impossible in this world. ठीक है ना?
हो सकता है।
कई दफा ऐसा होता है कि आपके माइंड पे कोई बड़ी भारी प्रॉब्लम है जो हैंडल नहीं हो रही, आप सोचते सोचते सो गए, सडनली नींद में वो सॉल्व हो जाती है।
वेरी ट्रू सर।
When you get up the next day, ओहो यार ऐसे करूं तो हो जाएगा ये।
या
So once it's on your mind, you will get the solution.
ग्रेट
But if it's not your mind, then you won't get the solution.
sir, brilliantly put up. Now I think hopefully all the officials, management people listening to this will learn from your experience and your insight in this. Sir, I would come into the selection part. As a cricketer, some cricketer always believe कि यार थोड़ा सा bias होती है selection, मतलब कि अभी not naming anyone, but कि यार इसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट के ज़्यादा प्लेयर हमेशा पिक होते हैं। व्हाट यू सेड कि ज़्यादा मैच खेलो, सॉरी ज़्यादा मैच जीतो, यू विन अ टाइटल, ऑब्वियसली यू विल गेट अ
get more
बेनिफिट,
players.
2 प्लेयर एक्स्ट्रा आ जाएंगे उस टीम
आपके
के।
बिल्कुल ठीक है।
बट क्रिकेटर माइंडसेट थिंकिंग यार बायस होती है।
Right.
मैसेज टू दैट क्रिकेटर क्या होगा आपका?
Only that. is कि भाई work on your game, play, perform, and don't get disgusted. Play.
ओके
भाई अभी अच्छा ये है, फिर देन वर्कआउट ऑन योर वीकनेसेस आल्सो।
या
ठीक है कि व्हाट वाज माय वीकनेस यार। ठीक है, इसमें बड़ी अच्छी एग्जांपल है, मैं सुनील गावस्कर ने मुझे एक दफ़ा बताई थी, तो बातें करते कहता, मैं कहा सुनील यार हाउ डू यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर innings and all that? Because once when I go back in the night and sleep on my pillow, half an hour I spent on cricket. मैं कहा अच्छा क्या? कहते मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि कल मेरी बैटिंग आनी है, उस टीम में ये फास्ट बॉलर है, ये वो है स्पिनर है, इसकी इतनी स्पीड है, हाउ डू आई टेक हिम, पहले कितने बॉल छोड़ूंगा, पहले कितने, कहना आई फॉर हाफ एन आवर आई प्ले माई क्रिकेट एक्चुअली ऑन माई पिलो।
क्या हुआ?
कहना देन नेक्स्ट डे it gives me extra half an hour in settling down on the wicket.
क्या बात है?
1 घंटा लगता है विकेट में, आधा घंटा सेट होने को, तो कहना आधा घंटा मुझे एडवांटेज मिल जाता है क्योंकि ये मेरे माइंड में ऑलरेडी आया हुआ है।
और जब माइंड ने सोच लिया तो बॉडी रिएक्ट अच्छा ही
बॉडी
करेगी।
रिएक्ट करेगी। This is what he told me. I said, yes.
सर एक वो ब्रैडमैन वाली स्टोरी आई थिंक पीपल शुड नो।
Oh, अच्छा. Good. That's a
I love that story.
Yeah, that's very good. It was October 1986. I was with the Indian youth team to Australia. So when I reached Australia, so we were playing at different places, Adelaide, Melbourne, Sydney, Canberra, all these places, इधर वो Perth ऐसा। So wherever we were going, when meeting, there are officials coming to me, yes, sir, Mr. Pandey, welcome to you in Australia. Oh, yes. Do you know Sir Don is around? Yes, Sir Don is a great player. He is around. Yeah. He might come to see one of your games. Okay. दूसरे से थी, मुझे ऐसे लगने लगा कि जैसे मेरे पे एहसान कर रहा है यार वो आके। All small thinking.
Yeah.
I agree now. It was small thinking. मैं कहा यार ये मेरे पे एहसान कर रहा है आके। He wants to come to watch the game, let him come. Anyway, he was living in Adelaide.
Yeah.
So when we were playing in Adelaide, he came to watch the game and he came to our dressing room. He came, met everybody, this and that, and met me also and this. तो मुझे वो बात जरा थोड़ी चुभ रही थी, so मैंने उसको ना थोड़ा just to this, not right on my part. I said, okay, Sir Don, when I was coming to Australia, everybody said, okay, you are going to the country of Sir Great Don Bradman. But I told even the press, okay, yes, I am going there, but I am also from the country of Great Sunil Gavaskar.
क्या बात.
And that fellow, Sir Don, heard it, consumed it. Such a balanced person. Yes. Sunil Gavaskar was still playing
Okay.
for India. How old is he, Sunil? Sir, maybe 40. What? Do you know? He's the best, technically the best batsman in the world. Sir. And no wonder he plays for India up to 55. Sir, is it so? Yes. Do you know technique? If I had that technique in my playing days, I would have scored 10,000 more runs in Test cricket. Sir, this is a lesson for me. Would you please explain to me?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you see, if you are technically learning game, your graph is like this. And when your physical faculties start getting slow, you will come down like this. But if you are playing on your physical faculties, that is your eye and legs, your graph will be like this. And when they get little sluggish, your fall will be like this.
Wow.
I said, okay, what a great thing he has told. And I then this narrated to all youngsters many times.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to become a good player, if you want to become long last, work on your elementary fundamentals, learn them properly. Once you are fundamentally correct, you can improvise. But if you start playing improvised game, you cannot come back on fundamentals.
Sir, there's so many cricketers played under you when you were the joint secretary. Obviously, you were a captain. बहुत सारे आप cricketers भी खेले हैं. But जब आप देख रहे थे युवराज सिंह, हरभजन सिंह, Vikram Rathod, and a lot of Punjab cricketers under you have excelled. Any youngster listening, what were the key factors in them? Any of them you can name, or all of them in? क्या common था उन तीन चीज़?
क्या देखता था मैं? What I used to see was who out of them has played quality cricket. Performances were before me. It used to come कि यार इसने ये मैच इसने जिताया, ये मैच यहाँ फंसा हुआ था, इसने आके 3 विकेट निकाले, इसने जिताया. I used to take down their names, and then at appropriate level, I used to tell them, okay, look here, that player is very good. Have a good look at him. If you will not, then you have an enemy in me. Right? Many times. Story of, again, naming will not be right. Chalo, I leave it to this. Who became a big player after having played, gone down, almost finished 1 or 2 after 1-2 test matches. Then he came back again in 86. And he really worked hard. I used to come here in the evening. He would do about 4-5 kilometer running, take the video and this and that exercises in the net. 1 hour, done. That's it. He was doing very well. So when this 86 World Cup was to be played, I thought he should not play. He is fit. Incidentally, his name was not appearing anywhere. Because once somebody has gone for 4 years back, who bothers for him? Then, chairman selection committee of that time, I got hold of him. उसको दिया एक घंटा मैंने lecture. मैंने कहा देख, you are not for a particular place. You are India selector. Don't do injustice. And you do it, this is very bad. No, sir, क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? हम कब करते हैं ऐसा? हम कभी नहीं करते ऐसा. मैं कहा करते हो? No, मैं कहा look, listen to me. This is a player. 30 लड़के इंडिया के वर्ल्ड कप के लिए सिलेक्ट होंगे. एंड आई रिकमेंड यू कि यू शुड टेक हिम इन 30. देन वहां खिला के देख लेना. ठीक है. खैर वो काम कर गया थ्योरी. ही वाज टेकन इन 30. आफ्टर द कैंप वाज ओवर, रवि शास्त्री केम टू मी. सर क्या खिला दिया इसको? मैं क्या हुआ? कहता यार मेरे को 3 छक्के मारता है. So you see, now this thing happened or may not have happened. There I would say कि luck also plays part.
सही टाइम पे रन बना
Same time, right person at right place, right performance, right input, everything, all nickels have settled correctly. ठीक है?
Yeah.
All things are crossed. Your nickel is very good. It will strike here and come back. So it's a very big country. In this country, in order to get your talent recognized, you need to have some approach there which matters. And for that, my only word again I'm saying, get into the BCCI.
Okay. Sir, as like you've been a representative at a lot of different level, politics कुछ मैटर करती है? क्रिकेटर को सोचना चाहिए पॉलिटिक्स हुई, मतलब हमें कई बार ना बहुत से रीजन हर प्लेयर बोलता है यार मेरे साथ पॉलिटिक्स हो गई यार, वो मेरा नया हो गया यार. यू थिंक आउट ऑफ 10 कितना रोल पॉलिटिक्स निभाती है क्रिकेटर को रोकने के लिए?
I would say another word, not politics, but mannerism.
मैनरिज्म. ओके. कैसे?
क्या है कि when you start playing and you are performing, you are going ahead, don't lose your head. The thing which I said in the beginning, respect your seniors and consideration for your juniors.
या.
If in those days you respect for your seniors और उनको चुभते नहीं हो, and you become round edged, चुभते नहीं हो, you will go up. अगर उसी स्टेज में आप चुभने लग गए तो you will go down. I have seen many players who were good, खेल भी गए ठीक लेवल पे, कॉलर अप हो गए, हाय टाइगर, नवाब पटौदी को बोल रहा है. मैं बैठा पास था, सुन रहा था, मैंने उसको बुलाया, मैं बेटा बात सुन रहा था. मैं कहा तू कितना खेल गया अभी यार? कहते क्यों सर? मैं कहा वो इंडिया का कैप्टन है, उसने 3 प्लेयर इंडिया के निकलवा दिए थे इसलिए कि दे डिडंट बिहेव प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, सबको पता है ये, अगेन मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा उनका. मैं कहा तू उसको जब ये लगा कि साला था इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ हिज शूज, यू विल बी नोवेयर. फॉर गॉड सेक, जब भी आता है गुड मॉर्निंग स्कीपर, सर वो बात कह रहे हैं कैसे सर, ऐसे बात कर, मैं क्या अगर इंडिया खेलना तो चुभना नहीं है. उसका एक टिपिकल एग्जांपल हमारा पंजाब का है आदमी जो बाद में तो ऑफ स्पोकन हो गया था बहुत ज़्यादा, अगेन मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, ये नो मोर इन द वर्ल्ड. वो सिर्फ पाजी का कि इंडिया तक पहुँच गया, हर किसी का बैग उठा था, मेरा भी बैग उठा लेता था.
सो नुक हमेशा अपनी रूट्स याद रखनी है,
अपनी
कहाँ से
roots-
निकले हो.
अपनी रूट्स और अपना प्लेस ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए. उसमें अगर आपको निकाल दिया, यू विल से मुझे पॉलिटिक्स हो गई मेरे साथ. देन देयर मैनी, हाउ मेनी रीजंस आर देयर फॉर दिस पॉलिटिक्स. सो वन मे बी दिस, मे बी अनदर ऑल्सो. ठीक है ना. तो नॉर्मली समबडी इज बैलेंस्ड माइंड एंड ही intact, keeps himself intact and keeps the levels properly. और more important is जो अपने जूनियर से भी प्यार करता है. You see, reputation doesn't go only by pleasing them.
Upwards, नीचे भी.
Upwards. If वहाँ भी आप प्यार करते हो ना, क्या बच्चा कैसा खेल रहा है, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या है सारा, कोई बात नहीं, ले यार मेरे को आज पैसे मिले तो ये जूता मेरे से ले ले, कोई बात नहीं, ये ले ले, मैं तेरे को कैप देता हूँ. All these things. So these things take you up.
Wow.
So human qualities are count everywhere. Maybe cricket, maybe football, maybe politics, maybe social life,
Yeah.
anywhere. So that you should not lose.
Sir, you've been part of lot of selections, Indian team selections as well. एक Indian cricketer को जब when you were picking, the biggest challenge was कि यार so many players are in that circuit. How challenging it was leaving one player to the other. How did you balance it?
It is a comparative game. If there are more performers than one at one place, then we had to assess his performance quality-wise. That who has got better quality of performance. Plus all things, his fitness, his other things, approach to the game and etc. etc. that reputation automatically comes to the selectors.
Okay.
Any player who is doing what in his team, it reaches the selectors. This, you should be assured of that. We knew about each player. Like one player, Sachin Tendulkar's companion, he was equally good. But because of his reputation and his mannerism, because of his other things, we had to drop him. So many times, all these things, they play part, but then you have to select many times on opinions also, opinions of others, your own opinion. If you had, I don't know whether it was a God's gift. I had this knack, if I had seen a player playing in front of me, I could say for certain, okay, this boy is good or this boy is not good. So this helped me.
Sir, I'll ask you, अगर आप अभी Indian selector होते, would you still bring back Virat? क्योंकि he's still one of the best of the countries. He's super fit. I know it's his personal decision. Still, if you were a selector, कि आप उसको call करके बोलते कि यार,
No,
India needs you.
No. This cricket has got now 3-4 different aspects. 20-20 है, 50-50 है, 5-day cricket है. No doubt Virat Kohli is talented, the best player in the country, but then his fitness and his physical faculties had to be seen vis-a-vis the format for which you are selecting.
Test man, for test I'm saying. अभी
Test,
India
yes.
को
Of course, yes.
India misses him.
Of course, yes. Because in 5-day game, even if your fitness level has gone a little down, you can manage. You can manage because in fielding places also you can take a place where you can safely field and other things. Well, there it can be managed. But if you are talking about this this instant cricket, so-called instant cricket, there are many times you have to think about these things. But Virat, of course, yes, I would have gone for it.
He's still super fit.
Super fit.
He's
yes.
still performing. So
Yes.
there's no reason of...
No reason of dropping him. And
He's not dropped. He left cricket.
He left.
I'm not saying कि उसको...
maybe
I'm just saying कि giving him a call as a selector. कि यार आजा भाई.
maybe Virat has followed the old theory of Sunil Gavaskar, which he used to say,
अच्छा.
कि when you should retire, he said that people should ask you why, or you should retire and people should say why not. So one feels, so many people they feel कि यार अभी retire हो जाओ, so people will say why have you retired? And you are retired at that time, they say why not to retire? You should have retired 1 year earlier. So maybe he was guided with this philosophy, but I don't know because I don't know what was the circumstances he took the decision. But he still, whatever I have seen him playing last, he's still very good.
Yeah. Sir, I think Indian cricket को define करते हैं two different captains.
Yes.
I think a lot of different captains were appointed.
Yes.
Saurav Ganguly becoming the Indian
Yes,
team captain,
yes,
changed the culture of the Indian cricket.
Yes.
Then MS Dhoni also coming in
Right,
as a
yeah.
captain.
Yeah.
You were there that time?
No, I was not there at that time. I was, when Saurav Ganguly was selected for Indian team, I was there at that time.
90s, first time,
London,
test match.
When England he went at that time. At that time I was selector. And it was between him and VVS Lakshman. Great competition. But considering many things, we selected him.
Okay. Now, coming into Sachin Paji as a captain, how challenging it was then?
Sachin was very good. He's a very good player, very good reader of the game. Everything is okay. But we felt that probably the captaincy is affecting his game a bit. So at one point of time, he himself volunteered not to captain. Then again Azhar was made captain. But then afterwards he again took over as captain. But Sachin is a player which comes in centuries. He has got great, as I told you, Navjot told me that on the very first ball, on a sticky wicket, he goes out and hits the West Indian fast bowler for a 6. So you see, that speaks of his talent and understanding. So he's very good. He's very good.
But as a captain, there comes a lot of more things.
As a captain, more responsibility comes on you. One. Besides that, there are many things which brings many opposition to you without any act of yours.
सही बात.
That is also a minus point of captaincy. So probably he thought about that also and said that playing is more important, winning the match is more important than doing captaincy. Many people think about that, think like that.
Yeah. Sir, now we've seen women's cricket evolve. पंजाब क्रिकेट में आपने हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में ब्रिक बाय ब्रिक इतना आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन है. कुछ हम बात कर पा रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं भी कर पाए. देयर आर सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स. अभी हम नेशनल क्रिकेट एड में बात करें तो लैंड के बारे में बात करें, उसमें भी यू आर इन कंट्रीब्यूटिंग. नाउ फॉर वुमेन्स क्रिकेट, व्हाट डू यू थिंक पंजाब क्रिकेट में how much change has been, and now Indian cricket coming in, and also if we talk about Punjab cricket and women's cricket, we have to mention Harmanpreet Kaur. So talk us about that, please.
Women cricket, in fact, earlier Women Association was different, All India Federation, board was different. When this decision was taken by the ICC that women federations all over the world should be merged with the main bodies, if you are honestly asking, I'm telling you today, I was not very much in favor. Only reason was this, that with women cricket there are so many other responsibilities come. Plus, when your own cricket is doing very well, if a federation is not doing well, the federation should be asked to do well. That federation should be sharpened. Not that it is like a bank is not performing well, merge it with the other bank. See? So this was my personal view. But anyway, it was a decision, it was taken. But once it was merged, then we really focused on that. And then Harmanpreet, I remember, she was very good. But then we thought that she needs more polishing. She needs more edge. So we asked her to come to us and remain there with us and practice Mohali. Okay? So she came there and she did it. And as long as I was there, we did it for other women cricketers also, and we focused on the women cricket. But now women cricket has come of age. Earlier women cricket were two reasons. One is orthodoxy. It was very difficult for ladies to come out and wear pants and play. Secondly, social fabric. Any girl gets about 18, 19, the parents get worried about her marriage.
Yeah, definitely.
So she goes for marriage and then game goes haywire. Her husband may like her to play or he may not like her to play.
True.
All these things were there.
Challenges.
And challenges were there. And we also found that, by experience, that girls who are in school are coming for the game. Once they go to the college and do their graduation, they disappear. It happened here also many times. At that time, physically also, Australians were good. They were the good team. English women also have started playing well. But the Australians were the best. But slowly they picked up. And now we have come of age. Now we have won the World Cup.
Yeah.
So I think now we should encourage the women cricket as well. And maybe even I would say more than what you are doing
So,
for
sir,
the boys.
एक simple message. Any parent listening, वुमेन्स क्रिकेट में जो हिचकिचाते हैं, यार मैं पता नहीं मेरी बेटी कहाँ तक जाएगी, खेल पाएगी नहीं, तो उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, the first point is her talent. Now the second point is this fear of the parents. The fear is in every aspect. You give best of the tuitions to your kid, to your girls or this. You want to make her a doctor. Are you sure you will make her a doctor?
सही बात है.
So many times you don't.
हाँ, नहीं
So
बनेगी.
ultimately वो कुछ और बन जाती हैं.
सही बात.
Similarly, if you find that your girl is talented and also very keen to play,
Passionate.
then encourage her properly, because this is now has become a career.
Yeah.
It has become a career. It is as good, or I would say better, than becoming a technocrat, becoming a doctor, becoming an engineer. Even I would say to come in the civil service. You are much more than what you even. I have been a civil servant. I know
Yeah.
what we have earned and what we are left with. And then these youngsters, these boys, you can't even imagine. So you should think always positive and the top. When you are bringing up your child, you always keep your eyes on the top. So if she is in education, you think she should become doctor, engineer, or IAS, or she should get into some competition. Similarly, if your daughter is playing, think that she plays for India and becomes another Harmanpreet. That should be the approach.
Wow, beautiful, sir. Sir, when you were with the association and suddenly as a cricketer you saw कि यार ये गलती ना हमारे आजकल के बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, वो क्या चीज थी जो आप चाहते थे कि यार चेंज करे बच्चे हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी?
So, one was that emphasis on fitness was not there at that time. Second one is application towards the game. That is a must. And third is to learn from the seniors playing. Watch good cricket, even if it's available on television, even if it's available on there. I remember now, 69, Australians came and played a match at Jalandhar. That was North Zone versus this. We all went from here to
अच्छा, मैच देखने का?
मैच देखने गए जलंधर, जाते थे, शौक कितना था. I saw Ian Chappell playing for the first time, right? And 1, 2, 3 to the spinners, निकल के खेलना, he was doing. 4 का आगे जाके खेलता था, अच्छे स्पिनर को, बिशन को, बेदी को, इनको सबको टिप्पे पकड़ के खेलता था. मैंने वॉच दी, मैं चाहिए यार ये तो कमाल की चीज़ है, इसको क्यों ना प्रैक्टिस करें. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करनी शुरू की तो आई कैन से नाउ कि आफ्टर अबाउट 3-4 months आई वॉज एबल टू डू दैट. कि स्पिनर लगा उसका 1-2 बार टप्पा देख के कहा है 1, 2, 3 करना, निकलो. दैट गिव्स यू कॉन्फिडेंस. अदरवाइज बैट्समैन डजंट डेयर टू गो आउट में स्टंप हो जाऊंगा यार. तो उसकी लाइन में जाके कैसे 1, 2, 3 करना है, उसकी आर्म की लाइन देख के वो चैपल से सीखी.
और फिर कितना प्रैक्टिस किया उसके लिए?
2-3 महीने स्पिनर्स लगा के ना. उमेश था हमारे यहाँ, अच्छे बॉल, बहुत अच्छे बॉल डालता था. उमेश को कहला, उमेश कर टिप्पे ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर कर, मैं तेरे को 1, 2, 3 करके आऊँगा. तो 1, 2, 3 कर 2-4 बारी गए, पहुँच नहीं सके, बॉल रोक दिया, 1-2 बार स्टंप हो गए. लेकिन उस तो टक जब 6 में से 6 मारने लग गए तब मैच में खेलना शुरू किया.
वेरी
Good thing.
इंपॉर्टेंट सर.
हाँ, so these things you should learn from others and अर्न करके then take it to your own body. जब तुम्हारी बॉडी कंज्यूम नहीं कर रही, अगर मेरा पैर नहीं वहां तक जा रहा तो फिर लीव इट. फिर वो करो जो तुम्हारा बॉडी कंज्यूम कर रही है जिस बात को. ठीक है ना. So these are the things which you should learn from the others and then take it to yourself and see that you are able to submerge them in your system.
Brilliant, sir. Beautiful. Sir, any academy coaches listening जो level 1, 2 नहीं कर पाते हैं but still passion है, और ज़रूरी भी नहीं है, हमने इतने एग्जांपल्स देखे हैं कि बहुत सारे कोचेस जो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिकेट नहीं भी खेलते वो ज़्यादा अच्छी क्रिकेट सिखाते हैं बच्चों को.
Yes.
तो any one thing जो आपको लगता है हमें ग्रास रूट लेवल पे करनी चाहिए, any message to those coaches?
Coaching is one thing which you do it with your experience, and very important thing is to identify the best points, physical as well as game wise, of the player whom you are coaching. कि किसका कहाँ को कौन सा पुर्जा ज्यादा चलता है.
ओके,
ठीक है ना. उसके ऊपर कंसंट्रेट करना, उसको खिलाना, ये कोचिंग है.
ये नहीं कि नहीं चल रहा इसी को करता है.
इसी को डरवाते, नहीं तो ऐसे कर, नहीं तो ऐसे कर, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, नहीं फिर भी तो ऐसे कर. दैट्स ऑल. ये तरह से ठीक हो रहा है तो ये कर. आई हैव सीन मेनी प्लेयर्स, इवन दे हैव रीच्ड टू द टॉप. इंडिया भी 1-2 मैच खेल गए विद 1 शॉट. एक शॉट खेलना आता है, लेकिन वो शॉट परफेक्ट है. खड़े जहां वहां मिली उसके 4 मार दिया, 4 बॉल रोक दिए. ठीक है. सो वट एवर इज द बेस्ट इन योर सिस्टम दैट शुड बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड. दैट इज द आई विच ए कोच needs. It doesn't mean that he has played the cricket or he has not played the cricket. If you have played cricket, it gives you added confidence.
Yeah.
Because if you have not played cricket and you tell somebody, जा यार तू क्या खेला है? If you have played cricket, then he listens you confidently. सुनील गावस्कर किसी को कोई बात कहेगा, एकदम खड़ा होकर जरूर सोचेगा, फिर बात को उसको चाहे लगे कि यार ऐसे ही मार गया. ठीक है ना. लेकिन the first impression is there that what he is saying has got some value. तो ये फर्क पड़ता है उसपे. बाकी रेस्ट इज, आई हैव सीन मेनी कोचेस हु हैव नॉट प्लेड वेरी गुड क्रिकेट बट दे हैव बीन वेरी गुड कोचेस. दे हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड प्लेयर्स.
Sir, and any message to a 12-year-old who is aspiring to play for the country? Yeah, any message?
Same thing which I said earlier. He has to first identify himself, his faculties, किस चीज में वो अच्छा है. अगर उसमें वो चीज है, then he should work on the game and full concentration and see the. Supposing you want to become a batsman and want to play for the country as a batsman, Then watch all good batsmen playing. मैच देखो उनके, टेलीविजन पे देखो, फिर उसको देखो यार इसने ये शॉट खेला, वो बड़ा अच्छा खेला, कैसे खेला, फिर उसको रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करो अपने माइंड में. रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करोगे तो देन इट विल गो टू योर सिस्टम.
वाह.
कि ऐसे खेला इसने, हाँ ऐसे खेला, मैं नहीं ऐसे खेलता, मैं इधर जाता है मेरा पाँव, मैं ऐसे खेलूँ इसको, ठीक है ना.
वाह.
तो फिर देन इट्स अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस, यू लर्न एंड कंज्यूम ऐसे.
ब्यूटीफुल सर. सर अभी इतने एग्जांपल्स हैं कि बहुत अच्छा बच्चा बन जाता है क्योंकि उसके फादर ने उसको बचपन से देखा होता है, कोचिंग दी होती है. बट वो भी केसेस 10 में से शायद 3 है. मतलब अब शुभमन के पापा हैज टेकन केयर ऑफ हिम, टेक्निक में, प्रैक्टिस में.
Right.
अभिषेक के पापा ने भी किया.
हाँ,
There's a lot of examples which are
नवजोत के पापा ने किया.
हाँ जी. So there are a lot of successful examples.
हाँ हाँ.
बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ देम कि जो नहीं एक्चुअली कर पाते और कई बारी वो बैलेंस संभाल नहीं पा रहे हैं कि कई बारी ओवर कोचिंग या कई बारी रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन जाती है. सो मैसेज टू दोज पेरेंट्स, एनी 2 or 3 थिंग्स यू वुड से.
मैसेज टू, उसमें एक वेरी सिंपल एंड वन मैसेज है. जब आप खेलना शुरू करते हो तो खेलते 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 आप पे स्टेजेस आती हैं. स्टेजेस में कहीं आप फ्लॉ कर रहे हो, कहीं आप साइकोलॉजिकली डाउन हुए हुए हो, कहीं आपको लग रहा है यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, कहीं आप खेल ठीक नहीं. एट दैट स्टेज यू नीड समबडी टू गाइड यू. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सम पीपल हैव इन देयर पेरेंट, some people have in their coach, some people have in their senior player, some people even have in their friends. अच्छा दोस्त है एक, वो बेचारा कह रहे मेरा इंडिया खेले, वो भी कहता है यार तू खेल तो रहा था पर यार देखो दूसरा जो खेल रहा था वो ये कर रहा, तू ये नहीं कर रहा था. अच्छा मैं क्या नहीं कर रहा था, ये नहीं कर रहा, then you consume. हाँ यार ठीक कर रहा है. वो जो स्टेज है ना, there you need a person at your right side. वो बहुत जरूरी है. I know that as long I was having my seniors with me, I was improving. जब एक स्टेज पे पहुंच गया, मेरे सीनियर सब चले गए, मैं बाकियों का सीनियर हो गया, तो स्टेलमेट आ गया.
सो यू नीड समवन देयर, कोई आपको गाइड करता है,
आपको गाइड, आपको बताता रहे. बिकॉज मैनी थिंग्स विच यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ. आप खेल रहे हो, वहां कोई गलती करके आए हो, आपको नहीं समझाई, बाहर बैठे को दिख जाएगी, अरे यार क्या किया तुमने, क्या उल्टा मार दिया शॉट, अरे यार तेरा पैर स्लो हो रहा था, अरे यार ये. मैं एक आपको छोटी सी एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ, मैं अपने बेटे की एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. यहाँ खेल रहा था वो एक ध्रुव, तब मैं थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट ले रहा था उसमें. खेलते 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 जब 50-60 के करीब आया तो बीट हो, इधर हो, अल्टीमेटली आउट भी हो गया, आ गया, कुछ नहीं हुआ, बैठ गया मेरे पास. मैं कभी उसको कुछ नहीं बोलता था कि क्या है, आउट हो गया. मैं हाँ भाई अच्छा रहे आज, फर्स्ट क्लास, हाँ कहना है, हाँ कहना समझ जाते आउट हो गया. मैं क्यों, क्या पता नहीं. मैं कहा बेटा फिर पता किस तरह लगेगा. 56 पे आउट होने का मतलब क्या है, दैट मीन्स 0 पे जाते आउट हो जाओ, यू आर नॉट सेटल्ड. बॉल दिखाई नहीं दिया, डंडा हो गया, खत्म बात. जब तुम 50 पे पहुंच गए, यू आर सेट. तब आउट होने का मतलब क्या, 2, या तुम्हारी फिटनेस जवाब देगी, पाँव चलना बंद हो गया, आंख स्लो हो गई, ठीक है, ज़्यादा खा के चले गए, उसका फूड का अल्कोहलिक एड्रेस इफेक्ट हो गया. क्योंकि व्हेनेवर यू ईट फूड आफ्टर सम टाइम इट ब्रेक्स. तो फर्स्ट स्टेज इज अल्कोहलिक इफेक्ट. रोटी खा के नींद आती है ना हमको, लेजी, मैं अल्कोहलिक एड्रेस हो, ये हो गया. तो आउट ऑफ दी 3 क्या हो सकता है, मेरे कहना वापस समझ नहीं आया. मैं मेरे ख्याल में तुम्हारी फिटनेस का प्रॉब्लम है. योर फिटनेस इज नॉट फॉर 100 रन, इज फॉर 50 रन. फिर क्या करना चाहिए, मैं क्या करना चाहिए, चक्कर बढ़ा सुबह के, ठीक है. और जब तू अगर 6 चक्कर लगाता है, 12 लगा, और 12 लगा के अगर सांस नहीं चढ़ा तो छोड़ दे, अगर सांस चढ़ रहा है अगले दिन 14 लगा. सो देयर आर थिंग्स व्हिच समबडी शुड गाइड यू. वो कुड बी इन एनी शेप.
सो देयर हैज टू बी अ मेंटर, कैन बी इन एनी फॉर्म.
मेंटर हो जाओ, तो आपका पेरेंट हो, आपका कीन इंटरेस्ट लेता हो और उसको थोड़ी अकल हो, बैठ के वॉच करता हो खामोशी से. ऐसा भी ना हो कि उस पर इंप्रेशन आ जाए, मेरा बाप बैठा है तो मैं कैसे खेलूँ, ठीक है ना. तो ऑल दोज थिंग्स दिस मैटर. बट डेफिनेटली ऑन स्टेजेस यू आर, जैसे मैंने कहा ना कि बॉब सिम्पसन सेड कि आई एम करेक्टिंग देयर टेक्निक, तो वही बात आ गई ना कि दैट मीन्स यू आर लूजिंग ऑन योर टेक्निक एंड गेटिंग आउट, ठीक है ना. तो at that stage you need somebody who should be able to guide you. तो उसको किसी को रख लो, दोस्त को रख लो, कोच को रख लो, फ्रेंड को रख लो, बड़े भाई को रख लो, फादर को रख लो. अब सचिन का बड़ा भाई था इसके साथ, हमेशा लगा रहता था. बिल्कुल अचरेकर खैर कोच था इसका, लेकिन वो बड़ा भाई साथ रहता था हमेशा.
वाह.
ऐसे कितने एग्जाम्पल है मेरे. डीवी कॉलेज में एक स्विमर होता था, अच्छा इंडिया तक पहुंचा, वो हॉस्टल में मेरे साथ रहता था. तो उसका बड़ा भाई था, वो सुबह आता था, सारा देखता था, कंपटीशन देखता था, ये भी देखता था. फिर वो क्योंकि मेरे पास बैठा होता था, आके फिर उसको सिखाता था. और देख छोटे, तो उठे ये हाल छोड़ गया, तुमने वहाँ जब ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक मारा उसमें ये लंबा हाथ तेरा नहीं आया, ये नहीं. स्मॉल थिंग
जो आपकी बारीकियां पूरी समझ सके
आप.
सर. एक चीज और है जो बहुत बच्चों का अलग अलग लेवल पे चेंज होता है, बट दैट इज फियर ऑफ फेलियर. आपके हिसाब से स्पोर्ट्समैन हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट फियर ऑफ फेलियर?
देखो, फियर ऑफ फेलियर जो है वो तो साइकोलॉजिकल है. उसके लिए एक तरीका, जैसे हमारे टाइम में हम एक करते होते थे कि यू आर प्लेइंग वेरी वेल, सडनली यू स्टार्ट नॉट स्कोरिंग, 0-0 आउट हो गए, कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो गया एकदम. वो अगर जाता था अंदर, उसको ऐसे लगता है जैसे मेरे बैट में छेद हो गया, सीधा खेल रहा हूँ, सारी बॉल कहाँ से निकल गई, डंडे पे लग गई. लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस था. एक फार्मूला हम रखते होते थे कि यार इसको कॉन्फिडेंस रिस्टोर करो. तो हम क्या करते थे कि अभी ये किस अपना लेवल का, फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल का प्लेयर है, किसका है, उस फलाने स्कूल की बी टीम में लाओ, उसको खिलाओ. छोटे बॉलर आ गए, खेल भाई. पहले ठीक नहीं लग रहा था, वो खेलते 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 उनके खिलाफ 100 कर गया. 2 इनिंग ऐसी खेल गया, तीसरी इनिंग में आके वो अपना नेचुरल पे आ जाता था. So restoring the confidence back. So then you need little lesser opposition. Well, these are all fine points of the game, but time to time, maybe relevant for you, may not be relevant for him.
Yeah.
May not be relevant for him. Everybody needs different handling.
Yeah. So now this was our segment जो academy के बच्चे, coaches, parents के लिए था. One thing as an any management or official guy listening, I think सबसे बड़ा difficulty I think is कि जो मैंने नहीं देखी when you've been there for 30 plus years, so कि कोई pressure है अगर आपको as a management आता है कि यार someone who has a big reputation, how to handle that कि मतलब यार ये बच्चा है, ये बच्चे को खिलाना है, but I've seen in all the successful organizations or associations के उसको balance करना या उसको इग्नोर करना आता है. सो हाउ डिड यू,
अच्छे बच्चे को खिलाना है या किसी को गलत
को खिलाना है, और दूसरे का जो भी लेस डिजर्विंग है उसको नहीं खिलाना. हाउ डिड यू बैलेंस दैट? और एक बच्चा है जो फोन पे, क्योंकि ये एसोसिएशंस में तो इट इज कॉमन प्रैक्टिस,
वेरी कॉमन.
सो हाउ डिड यू बैलेंस इट?
मैं तो तरीका रखा हुआ था जी, अगर ऐसे 2-3 बच्चे आ गए, 2 आ गए, 1 आ गया, सुभाष वाला भी 1 आ गया, मैं उसको बुला के बोलता था, देख बेटा तेरे लिए मेरे उसने कहा है, साफ कह दे क्लियरली, एंड आई गिव हिम फुल रिगार्ड. मैं उसकी बात टाल नहीं सकता, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई कांट डू इनजस्टिस, एंड यू वुड ऑल्सो नॉट लाइक द इनजस्टिस टू बी डन समबडी. ठीक है, तेरे कंपटीशन में ये 2-3 बंदे, मैं आप सबको नेट में भेजता हूँ, चलो जाओ खेलो, ये 2-3 दिन ये आपके साथ रहेंगे. अगर इसके बाद आप आके कहोगे कि आपका आदमी कहेगा कि इसको खिला दो, मैं खिला दूंगा. वो 2-3 दिन में उसकी तसल्ली हो जाती थी, निकाल देता था मैं. वो अपने आप कहता नहीं सर ये मेरे से अच्छा है. अच्छा, many times and they had come and told me,
सही
कि नहीं सर ये तो ये अच्छा है थोड़ा. मैं कहता बेटा इससे अच्छा बन क्या, फिर तू खेलेगा.
क्या बात है.
ठीक है, ये है तो भाई केस टू केस. कई बेशर्म होते हैं, नहीं जी मैं तो खिलाना जी, एक ही गल हुई जी. ऐसे भी होते हैं कुछ लोग, तो उनको फिर उसके साथ आपको भी सपोर्ट मटे कि नहीं जी ये तो खेल नहीं सकता, बोलोगे कि कहना खत्म बात. फॉर देयर देन यू हैव टू टेक ऑन योर ब्रंट, यू हैव टू फेस. नाराज भी हो जाते हैं उसमें लोग, but different things. There can't be one set formula for this. ऐसे.
So okay, before we finish, let's play a rapid fire round with MP Pandav sir. So according to you, your all-time great all-rounder?
I was not a great all-rounder. I was a bowler.
No, according to you, world cricket में
अच्छा
के times में. So this is a one-word round.
अच्छा. I think Gary Sobers.
Gary Sobers. So not okay.
Yeah, okay. क्योंकि मैं all-rounder उसको बोलता हूँ जो सब कुछ कर सके. Gary Sobers was one man who could bowl with the new ball, who could bowl left arm spinner, who could bat at number 3, ठीक है, and a great fielder.
Nice. Best batter?
Ian Chappell I rate best because the way एक उसका innings in Delhi Test match, Australia was here, same year 69. ये हमारे स्पिनर्स अच्छे थे तब, इन्होंने टूटी हुई विकेट बना ली. Why not to take home advantage? Spinners will pack them up, Prasanna, Bedi, and there he scored 100. And the way he played, I saw that match. There he played, वो अपना उसी दुल से खेला. जो बॉल उसको हवा में नजर आ जाती थी कि हाँ टिप करेगी, वो हम हो जाता था. जो उसको लगता नहीं टिप करेगी, वो से खेलता था. So मैं I rate him best. बाकी नॉन बैट्समैन को मैंने देखा नहीं खेलते. They say he has been the best of the world. लेकिन हमने उनको देखा नहीं खेलते, इसलिए मेरे टाइम का तो मुझे ये लगता है.
Okay. And best bowler?
Bowler in spinners or in
Any sir. And considering all the eras,
अच्छा
60s, 80s, 2000,
नहीं देखो लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर्स में तो आई विल रेट बिशन बेदी एज द बेस्ट.
Okay.
क्योंकि उसका जो नेचुरल आर्म के साथ बॉल अंदर आता था, वो मैंने किसी बॉलर में नहीं देखा. गोयल ने भी 600 प्लस विकेटें ली और देखे, और दिलीप जोशी भी मैंने देखा. बाकी फॉरेनर्स में तो इतना कोई लेफ्ट आर्म अच्छा होता ही नहीं था, बट ही वाज गुड. उसका पूरा ये एक्शन था, यहीं से बाहर थी, यहीं से उसके अंदर जो आती थी, नोबडी कुड रीड. ये बात डिफरेंट है कि आई कुड रीड. मैंने 100 किया था फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस में उसके, बट वेरी गुड बॉलर. लेफ्ट आर्म में तो मुझे आई वुड रेट हिम द बेस्ट.
For all time captain? No,
Captain.
Captain for the country?
Tiger Patodi.
Okay.
Why I say this is कैप्टन सब अच्छे हुए हैं, बहुत अच्छे हुए हैं, लेकिन वो जो एक काम चल रहा है उसको थोड़ा इम्प्रूव कर दिया. टाइगर पटौदी वॉज वन मैन हु केम टू इंडिया एंड इंट्रोड्यूस्ड फील्डिंग इन द इंडियन टीम. बिफोर दैट द इंडियन टीम्स फील्डिंग वॉज वेरी लाउजी. 4-4, 5-5 कैच छोड़ते थे, भागते नहीं थे. विद बिग बॉडीज दे यूज्ड टू प्ले. ऑल ओल्ड प्लेयर्स आप देखो उनकी फोटो.
Yeah.
Tiger Patodi came, and when he became captain of India, he said that no, first you have to be fit, then I'll see how you play. So that culture which he introduced, that ultimately resulted into winning series. उससे फील्डर आए, वो एकनाथ सोलकर आया, वेंकट राघवन आया, वो क्लोज इन फील्डर्स आए. वो कल्चर जो उसने डेवलप किया, that gave us the series against West Indies in West Indies. That gave us the series against England in India. And 2-3 series we got.
Yeah.
And England के एक सीरीज जीते हम. That culture was inculcated by Tiger Patodi. So I consider him a good captain, giving a new direction to the Indian team.
Nice. Sir, we'll do a all-time great test 11 according to. अगर आपको 11 बनाने हो टेस्ट के,
That I can't say.
औखा काम है.
That I won't be able to say because now it's out of my mind.
Okay.
बहुत देर हो गई ना.
नहीं sir, that's fine. जाते जाते any message for any parent listening, coach listening, cricketer listening, sportsman listening, sports player, sorry, I should say listening, from your side?
Whatever do in your life, do with interest and with full focus and full dedication, and put all the inputs which are required to achieve that end.
That you've done your whole life, sir, as a cricketer, for Punjab, for India, you've done it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for it. Your autograph, please.
वो तेरी अच्छा देखेगा ना क्या
ठीक
कहते
है.
हैं,
Yeah.
मेरे एमपी पांडव नहीं मैं करता, ये दंगा था
क्या बात
नीचे ब्रैकेट में एमपी पांडव लिख लो.
Great, sir. Thank you so much.